To reserve storage units for a removals opportunity, go to the Storage tab on the Opportunity page. If you know the end date for storage, check the End Date box, select a storage type and location, choose the start date and end date, and then search for available units. From the search results, select a storage unit and click the Save button. If you wish to reserve additional units for the same customer, repeat the search and reserve another storage unit. The reserved storage units will now be in a reserved status. Once the opportunity is confirmed, the status of the units will be changed to active. A new storage job page has been added. You can access the storage job page by clicking on the storage job number within the Storage tab. Additionally, you can now view all storage jobs from the Storage Jobs List page. On the Invoice tab of the Storage Job page, you have the ability to set up and generate a single invoice or periodic invoices. If your OnExpert account is connected to Stripe, you can also enable automatic payment processing for your periodic invoices. Let's go through an example of setting up a weekly invoice for a storage job. From the Invoice tab, select the invoice item you want to use for the periodic invoices and save your selection. In the Recurring Invoice section, toggle the Recurring button to on. Choose the billing frequency. In this case, it will be weekly. Specify the billing start date, billing end date, and save your changes. If you wish to set up Stripe automated payments for these invoices when processed weekly, click on the Set up Stripe Payment button. Leave the amount as 0, as the invoice amount will be automatically populated from the invoice. Enter the customer's card details and click on the Pay button. The invoice will be automatically generated on a weekly basis starting from the billing start date, and the payment will also be processed accordingly. This weekly cycle will continue until the billing end date.